it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. So as you can probably see, I've already actually opened the box because I did get a couple of things in here for my Mother's Day present from my mum. I did a nice little Pampers self-care kind of little hamper, which she liked very much, but I had to open it to get the things out. So that's why the box is open. But everything else in here is for me, so I'm going to go through it and show you what I got. Okay, so the very first things that I got then are a couple of deodorants from Sure. I got their Bright Bouquet and their Invisible Pure one that's like anti-white marks and things. These were £3.65, but I got them on buy one and get one free. The next thing that I got was a candle. I've had a Superdrug candle before. I've got one that's just over there. It smells delicious. I picked up another one. I got their Hello Sunshine one, which is lemon, lime and vanilla. You all know I love vanilla, and I thought the lemon and lime sounded very fresh for like spring time of year. So these were actually on offer for buy one, get one half price. I bought my mum one, so I got myself one for half price. These are £2.49 at full price. So let's have a sniff. Oh yeah, it's definitely got a citrus kindness about it. Can't really smell the vanilla. Maybe a little more when it's burning. I think I prefer the scent on that one that I had, but that was out of stock, so I picked up this one instead. But again, it's got that fresh kind of scent. This might be good in the kitchen at the minute. The dogs are eating lots of tuna and sardines, and the kitchen just constantly smells a little bit fishy. It's awful. So I've been lighting candles and spraying stuff around, so I might pop that in there. Okay, next I got myself a exfoliating body scrub from Dove. I did actually also pick one of these up for my mum for her Mother's Day package, pamper hamper. So if this is a crushed macadamia and rice milk scent one. These were half price, down from £5.99 to £2.98. And I just thought, oh, a body scrub, that'll be nice. I haven't opened it, so let's see what it smells like. Of course, I imagine like macadamia nuts and things will probably smell really nice. Ooh. Yeah, that smells nice. I like that whole kind of nutty, kind of shea buttery-esqueness about things. Okay, so that'll be lovely. It's nice to get some pampery treats in, especially like with summer coming up and things. Hopefully the weather's starting to turn shortly. We'll be able to kind of get body ready, maybe. Next, I bought myself some things from the vitamin E range. They were buy one, get one half price. So I picked up some lip balm. I like to have this everywhere at the minute. Not wearing lipstick particularly much. Put some on for this video. But yeah, not really wearing it these days. But I thought this one would be good. It is vitamin E. I really like vitamin E. I think vitamin E is great, got great moisturising properties and things. So I thought that this would be a good one. And I also thought that it had a bit of SPF in it, which it doesn't. But it's fine because I'm mostly wearing masks when I'm out and about, so I probably won't need it. But yeah, lip balm's important. So this was £3.49, but obviously it was on the buy one, get one half price, so it works out a little bit cheaper. And the other thing that I picked up on the buy one, get one half price, and again, this was £3.49, so they both worked out a little bit cheaper, didn't they? This is their Leave On Moisture Mask. I really like the vitamin E range. It's good for moisturiser, and I think the winter's kind of left my skin feeling a little bit like it needs a bit of moisture and TLC, and wearing masks as well I find quite drying on my face. So this one is high in antioxidants, defends against damage, blah, blah, blah. So it's a leave-on mask, so I assume you just whack some on and leave it on overnight. Vitamin E Leave On Moisture Mask is a serum-like gel with a wheat germ, soybean and jojoba oils designed to quickly replenish and rehydrate your skin. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, okay. So it says apply to freshly cleansed skin, then leave to sink on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can either rub in the excess or remove with a cotton pad. Okay, so you probably put it on quite thick and then you can rub a little bit of it off. Let's have a little look at it. Oh, it's very jelly. Wibbly wobbly. I don't want to drop it, but look at that. Wibbly, wibbly, wibbly. That's kind of gross. Kind of weird. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that consistency. I suppose I could maybe do like a Face Mask Friday post on this, or I could do a Try It Tuesday perhaps with this or something. I definitely want to try it, so yay. Oh, next item, probably a little bit boring, but I got myself some Johnson's Baby Cotton Buds. These are just super useful for things like correcting any eye makeup mistakes, drying out your ears. I know they're not necessarily what you're supposed to do, but that's what I do use them for. I know a lot of the reviews these days for these are very bad because they've changed from the plastic sticks to like cardboard, and people are complaining, but I think that's amazing. It's, you know, you're saving the planet. And I have been using these and I don't find they're snapping or bending with any pressure on them. So I think they're great. So well done, Johnson's. Ignore the bad reviews. Keep up the environmentally friendly work. It's amazing. Okay, and then there's just 3 things left. And they're all from the same makeup brand. You don't even need me to tell you, do you, who they are? Anyway, well, I will tell you because I'm going to have to. Makeup Revolution on Superdrug were not only 15% off, but they were on 3 for 2. Couldn't not pick up some stuff, could I? I needed one thing. I had another thing I really wanted to try, so I decided to take them up on their offer. Okay, so firstly, and a favourite of mine, I got their Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. I love this stuff. I genuinely think it works amazing. I find that my makeup lasts all day when I use this. It's fantastic. So this on the offer, well, with a 15% off, worked out at £5.09. And then it was 3 for 2. So this, I think, was probably the cheapest that I picked up. So this was probably free. Amazing. Okay, next, I picked up another one of their 5D lash mascaras because I really, really like it. It's actually what I've got on my eyes today. No, it's a really, really genuinely good mascara. I had decided if this is going to be for me, if I was going to put it in a giveaway or if I was going to give it to a friend or family as like a present. I felt the need to pick it up. It was like I needed another thing and I thought, yeah, I'm going to get another one then because I like it. But then I've also got quite a lot of mascaras on the go at the minute, so I maybe don't need another one. So I might put this in a little giveaway because I'm hoping to reach that 1,000 subscribers soon. We're almost at 900, so if I can try and get some bits together ready for something like that, or maybe I do a 900 subscriber giveaway because, you know, I didn't do one for my 750 like I had planned because COVID happened. But yeah, so this one, and what did I say it works out at? This was £7.64 on the 15% off. I think it's £8.99 at full price. £8.99, yeah, £8.99. Okay, and the final thing, and something that I really, really wanted to try, I got their Eye Bright concealer. It's their new kind of illuminating under eye kind of concealer. It's got in there vitamin E. I didn't know which shade to get it in. That's the only thing I can't really say. I got it in light just because looking at it, I thought that probably looks like it's about right, but I'm not 100% sure without like really seeing them. But this looks amazing. I've seen a couple of reviews and it just brings out your under eyes lovely, combats tired eyes, which I could do with. So I'm genuinely really looking forward to trying this. So I'll probably pop this on a Try It Tuesday when I finally get around to trying it. I should apologise, by the way. I know I haven't had a few Try It Tuesdays the last couple of weeks. The previous week, I wanted to just get my Look Fantastic and Glossy boxes out there pretty quick because I find that they do better as videos when they're earlier in the month. So that's why I didn't do one last week, because I put one of them up instead. And then this week, I didn't get one done in time because Jakey's not been very well. He's had some trouble with his ears. Thankfully, he's been at the vet and he seems to be on the mend now, but apologies. Anyway, this worked out at £6.80 with the 50% off, and then we had the 3 for 2, so fantastic. So guys, that was everything I picked up for myself on this month's Superdrug haul. Like I say, there was a few other bits and bobs in there that I got for my mum for Mother's Day, so they came in a pretty big box. But mind you, I've got probably quite a lot of stuff in that box. So guys, that is this month's Superdrug haul. If you've enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. Drop me a comment and let me know, have I picked up any of your faves? What are you intrigued that I've picked up? Just drop me a comment and let me know. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I try and do like a Superdrug haul every month. I have been trying to alternate between a Superdrug haul and a Makeup Revolution haul every month. I've done both this month, so there is a Revolution haul coming. So make sure you subscribe to stick around for that. And like I said, I've got unboxings and various bits and bobs coming. So check out my channel and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.